饭有香味，
因为我的饭有掺那个卤汁、黑酱油，还有炸蒜头去炸香，所以
然后
它的味道会特别好吃。我有调味，
对对对，很香，不一样。
所以现在我在广告一个 Duckkuteh 很特别的。
Hi guys, welcome to ETC channel. And for today's video, we are going to
Haig Road Market and Food Center.
okay, let's go.
We took bus 76 to go here, but there are different buses that you can take. Let's go.
Yeah, we just have to cross the road.
Yeah. So the place is somewhere in Eunos and Paya Lebar.
Just beside the car park.
Yeah, just beside the car park. Is it the Geylang Serai?
Nearby.
Nearby. So as you can see, this is the car park and the hawker is over there. Alright, now let's go. We just need to cross the street and then we can go to the hawker center. So I'm eating with these two. Hi, before we eat, don't forget to subscribe to ETC channel. This is the Haig Road Market and Food Center. It's my first time here, so I don't know what to eat. But I'm excited to try the food. Okay, so this is the food center. There's a lot of people eating now because it's lunchtime.
Oh, it's so crowded already. 12 p.m.
Because it's lunchtime. Hopefully we can find seats.
Yeah, so this one it's the traditional wonton noodle. Usually Chinese will eat as lunch or breakfast. So you can see like sliced pork on top. And yellow noodle, and it's a little bit spicy for this. And it comes with dumpling. Usually it's pork, so it's pork dumpling usually. Yeah.
And this, they call it Ayam Soto. It's just basically chicken soup. That's the rice. It costs, plus a bit of rice. It costs about, this costs about $4. The wonton meat cost about $3.50. And then now we call this kway chap, and this is actually duck rice set. So the kway chap and duck rice cost about $12 altogether.
That's this veggie.
Yes, including the salted veggie, the whole set. This whole set costs $12.
I think this one we should also mention it's from Malay. The mee soto is like Malay kind of style of cooking. Yeah, all this is Chinese food.
And for our drinks, of course,
Since it's hot, right? We order sugarcane for drinks.
饭
有香味，
因为我的饭有掺那个卤汁、黑酱油，还有炸蒜头去炸香，所以
然后
它的味道会特别好吃。我有调味，
对对，很香，不一样。
所以现在我在广告一个 Duckkuteh 很特 特别的，这个 Duckkuteh 里面的汤有那个药材味，所以在新加坡没有人卖这个 Duckkuteh， 是安哥本人自己发明的。你们有想 try 可以来安哥这边现场 try 啊，安哥的地址是 Haig 大牌14号，门牌0158，冬季传统乳鸭啊，我从小卖鸭卖到现在，有照片证明的，不是讲故事的啊。OK，thank you。
Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Yeah. So anyway, uncle explained already the store owner. This is unlike the traditional bak kut teh that we eat out there. He invented a new version with duck meat. It's served cooked by a duck meat. So it's a name by him. It's called Duckkuteh. So it's duck, D-U-C-K, Duckkuteh. Yeah. So it's full of herbs according to him, but of course he won't reveal what herbs that he put. But I can for sure the taste is nice, just like what he told us about his rice. Okay.
What did he tell about the rice?
I think he mixed with what he told us was he mixed with garlic. I think it's fried garlic and then black sauce. And then of course with the braised
sauce.
the gravy, the sauce itself. So they I think stir together and that's where the fragrance came from. Okay, but let's try the Duckkuteh. Yeah, I'll take a portion of meat. I'll say it's a little bit different from the traditional bak kut teh because the duck taste is pretty strong. Yeah, the soup is I can tell there contains a lot of herbs inside. It's like a herbal soup. Yeah, it's very tasty, very strong. Yeah, I think uncle also put some fried garlic inside so that it upgrade the flavor as well. Yeah, it's nice. Let's try it.
Okay, let me try. Duckkuteh. Yep, it actually is herbal soup with duck. It's good for people who don't like to eat pork. They can try this Duckkuteh.
But is it like emperor chicken? No.
Not really.
No, not really.
I think it's more towards the bak kut teh side. Those Malaysia style bak kut teh, it's more like a herbal, more to the herbal side. This is the taste.
I think this is good for me because I don't eat.
Yeah, you don't eat pork. Yeah.
But I've never tried bak kut teh before, so I don't know how to compare.
You try the soup.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's more like a herbal soup.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice.
But it's not like the emperor chicken style.
Yeah.
This is more towards the like bak kut teh style, Malaysia
Oh.
bak kut teh style.
Uncle put a lot of garlic. Yeah.
This is very common in bak kut teh. They will put garlic and boil together with pork, but this one is not pork.
Since I didn't eat bak kut teh before, so I don't know the comparison. So for me, this is nice.
Yeah, like 10 points.
Yeah,
How many points you will rate?
9.5.
10.5 out of 10? 9.5.
Because it's is it considered like food or no?
If I think the taste is considered strong.
Strong.
It's,
Oh, you need
medium.
rice.
I think medium strong lah.
You need rice.
I think you can just eat like that, but for the taste itself, it's above medium lah, medium strong lah.
Auntie and uncle very nice.
Yeah, man, they are hitting the stuff for you, bro.
谢谢。
They reheat the soup.
OK，
Thank you.
Thank you.
哇，你是两盘啊，我厉害啊！
没有啦，谢谢啦。
The stall, it's so friendly. They reheat the soup for us.
How's the wonton?
I tried the pork. The pork is, I think, a little bit like Malaysia style. They do it a bit to the sweet side. I think they coated with I don't know. They coated with honey, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
How about yours, Lynn? Is it nice?
Yes, it's very nice.
Flavor?
One of the is very flavorful. One of the better ones in Singapore, I must say.
You should try the mee soto.
The miso, no?
Soto Ayam.
No, it's not ayam. Is it nice?
The soup is very fragrant.
They put a lot of spices.
Yeah.
And then we also have and also
That's a noodle. Flat noodle.
yeah.
Yeah, flat noodle. Let me try.
I haven't. Is it what? Duck liver?
Yeah, duck liver. It's very tasty because they braise it, I think, long hours. It's very tasty.
It's fine.
Yeah. The gravy is very tasty. I think you should try this noodle. I think this is hor fun, right? A little bit like hor fun.
Liver.
And there is duck meat. This is the duck meat, and we have intestine, and we have braised egg, and I think this is skin. Pork skin or duck? I think pork skin, not duck skin. It's pork skin. Yeah, everything is braised together, and that's why it's very flavorful. Yeah, as you can see from the gravy.
So you should eat it with this.
I think should dip some gravy and then serve with the either noodle or rice.
Chili as well.
I think the chili is good also. Yeah. This
You
is
take
the
one. Me and Adrian.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the soup is very nice also. Let's try the noodle. Yummy, yummy. Good, let me try, Okay, take some peanuts. Okay, take some meat. I think this is the
This is the
liver.
liver.
I'll take some meat. Okay. I'll take some chili on top. Okay. Yummy.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, this is the stock. Highly recommended.
Taste any?
It's Duckkuteh traditional braised duck. Yeah, the owner is very friendly.
This one, we finished most of the meat already, but for the rice.
Hey, you all should try the char siu. The char siu is Malaysia style. The
Honey
sweet,
one lah.
the honey coated one. This is quite rare.
Why in Malaysia is
Because usually Singapore they will do it
Very dry style.
dry and it's more like a red color kind of skin.
Just now, right? Ask, should we come after like lunchtime, maybe 1+?
Right?
他问啦. Then when I was ordering this one, the auntie already tell the man behind, oh, dumpling run out, char siu run out.
Lucky you ordered.
Only I was the last one with the char siu.
How much is the
350.
350?
快算了。
Yeah, it's okay.
快搬了。
Yeah, this is- With dumpling.
啊。
Oh, it's cheap like the food here. The intestine very nice.
That's my favorite.
Very nice. That's so much our table because
That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to ETC channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
bye.